Okay, so this is exercise 4.8, question 2. The sum of the first n terms of an arithmetic series is given by the following formula: Sn equals n squared plus 3n. Find the first term and the common difference d. So what we got to remember is that we can put in S1. S1 is the same thing as T1, which is the same thing as 1 squared plus 3 times 1. And what that will give me is 1 times 1 plus 3 is 4, so T1 is 4. Now I'm going to find out what S2 is. S2 equals T1 plus T2, which is the same thing as 2 squared plus 3 times 2. And because we're replacing n with 2, and we get T1 plus T2 ends up to be, that's 4, that's going to be 10. So what we can do here is that we know that T1 is A, so A equals 4, and then we can replace this one here with a 4. 4 plus T2 equals 10, T2 therefore has to be equal to 6, okay? So that's question 2 done. Now we're going to do question 4. The sum of the first n terms of an arithmetic series is given by 2n squared minus 3n. Find the first term A and the common difference d. So look, it's exactly the same question as last time, except this time we're going to be doing Sn equals 2n squared minus 3n. So once again, S1 is the same thing as T1, which equals 2 times 1 squared minus 3 times 1, which equals minus 1. T1 equals minus 1, which is the same thing as A being equal to minus 1. S2 equals T1 plus T2, and T1 plus T2 ends up to be 2 times 2 squared minus 3 times 2, which is going to be 8 minus 6, which equals 2. Now we know that T1 plus T2 equals 2. Replace T1 with minus 1. Minus 1 plus T2 equals 2. T2 therefore equals 3. So you bring the 1 over to your side, comes plus 1, makes 3. Okay, so that's question 4 done. Now we're on question 6. Now, in question 6, what we're looking at here is the sum of the first n terms of Sn arithmetic series is given by Sn equals 2n squared plus n. Calculate the first term of the series and the common difference. So once again, same thing as last time. S1 is the same thing as T1, which equals 2 times 1 squared plus 1, that equals 3. T1 equals 3, therefore A equals 3. S2 is the same thing as T1 plus T2, which ends up to be 2 times 2 squared plus 2. And what we get here is 10. So T1 plus T2 equals 10. We know that T1 is 3. 3 plus T2 equals 10. Take away 3, T2 equals 7. Okay, so now what we got to do is find the difference between 3 and 7, and we know that D therefore equals 4. 3 and 4. Now, number 6, okay? Okay, questions, so still on question 6 at the moment. Find an expression Tn for the nth term. Well, what we know about this is the Tn formula, so we know that Tn equals A plus n minus 1 times d. Therefore, T1 equals A is 3, plus n minus 1 times d is going to be n minus 1 times 4. Multiply n, and we're going to get 4n minus 4 plus 3, which is going to be 4n minus 1. Now calculate T10, so that's Tn, therefore T10 has to be 4 times 10 minus 1, which is 39. Show that T10 equals S10 minus S9. Well, T10 is 39, so I have to figure out what S10 is first. S10 S10 is 2 times 10 squared plus 10, which is 210. S9, 2 times 9 squared plus 9. And 2 times 9 squared plus 9 is going to be 81 multiplied by 2, 262 plus 9 is 171. 210 minus 171 equals 39. So that proves it, okay? So that's exercise 4.8 2, 4, and 6.